super Bacchettas. Yeah.
La stagione.
We feel ourselves really Welsh-Italian, and we like and love our Welsh heritage and also our Italian heritage.
This is where it all began. This is my mother and father.
My family originally came to South Wales because of the coal. There was so much employment, mass employment in the valleys at that time.
My father took a business in Abercynon. That's where I was born, in 1932. But it was a fish and chip business. He didn't really like it all that much. And then this business came on the market. So he came here when I was 6 months old. So my claim to fame is that I'm the age of the business. So I've been here as long as the business.
The Italians had a lot in common with the Welsh people.
They're good talkers.
They were quite emotional.
Once they had command of the language, I mean, nothing held them back.
They were very religious. They had very high morals.
Even in those days, you had a following of men that went to see the rugby matches.
They also were very smart people, and I think the Valley people always looked up to the Italians for a bit of style. And of course, their Latin eyes and good looks helped as well.
My first job in the shop was when I was 10 during the war. My job was opening and closing the door during the air raids to ensure that no light got into the shop.